The Valenwood Air Quality Alert System is an easy way to get updates about current conditions. The system will alert you for any notifications for your specific area. If an air quality alert is issued for your location, you'll receive a text message with air quality information. This is the home page with the user dashboard. From here, you can add and delete users, choose specific locations, and also view air quality reports by specific region. Take a look at what's highlighted in yellow. This is where you can set up groups or lists of alert recipients. You can add or delete users or modify alert groups as needed. And additional folders drop down, showing the names on each list. On this screen, the pane on the right is highlighted in yellow, and it displays the locations that are available to receive alerts. Multiple areas can be chosen for each recipient.